everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to share, yes, the walk of shame, a scrapbook haul. Now, I did get a few things because this was the last kits that I was picking up. I've stopped getting the kits now, and there was some collections in there that I was like, I'm obsessed with Cocoa Vanilla and 49 in Market right now. And I'm going to a crop in October. So I'm like, you know what? I'm going to make page kits with these for the crop. So it's going to make it so that it's okay. Like I'm going to use them right away. So one of the collections that I got was the Cocoa Vanilla Storyteller. Look at those pattern papers. Amazing. And then there's a sticker sheet in there. There's a cut apart, like I said. I want to make 60 page kits to go to my crop, which is like in a month and a half. And I'm going to be making pages with these. Now, I have all kinds of page kits or paper kits, but I'll keep those for, here in my scrap room. I'm going to make some more page kits where I'm going to be using this. Plus, I'm having a virtual crop. I might make some pages using these kits. So it's going to get used up right away. So one of the first things are these wood buttons, wood epoxy buttons. I love them. And then 55 pieces that is like all flowers and stuff. And we went to quite a few like flower gardens. So this will work out perfect for the pictures. And then these puffy hearts. And then these ephemera pack. There is 59 pieces in that. And I'll flip it over so you can see it. Amazing. And then some chipboard stickers. So like I said, I'm not even going to put these things away because I'm going to start making page kits right away. Now, if you remember way back, I got the Spectrum Sherbert collection. I didn't get these chipboards, so I still have some stuff to use up. So I figured that I would just throw that in there and add some embellishments. So there's tons of embellishments, 61 pieces. Then there was some new Spectrum Sherbert or 49 in Market, and I'm like, oh, okay, I'm going to get some. So the first one was Vintage Artistry. I didn't get the pattern papers. What I did was I got the solids collection pack because one thing I noticed, I don't like the pattern papers that are super busy. I'm finding them hard to use. So these are like solids. They're pattern paper, but they look like solids. So I'm going to be using those. And then to go with that, that's called the Vintage Artistry Serenity. And these go with it. So there's chipboard shapes. And I love the tones of this collection. It's like blues and browns and creams. Love it. And then there's this package that's called Ephemera Bits. There's 72 pieces. There's large pieces, small pieces. Oh, I can't wait to use those. So again, I'm going to be making page kits using this. Then there's the Vintage Artistry. These are teal and mango. Now, I'll just use them on whatever layouts, but look at all the rub-ons. Oh, so pretty. And the last time I got some rub-ons and I pretty much used them all up. So, I know I'm going to use them. And then I didn't get these rub-ons last time for the Spectrum Sherbert. So I thought I'd get them this time. So it's butterflies and flowers. I use the other one, pretty much everything. So I'm hopefully going to be using those. And like I said, I have lots of pages where I'm going to have to make some about flowers and stuff. So that's going to work out perfectly. Then this collection is called, it's still from 49 in Market, and it's called Curator Meadow. And look at these. Again, I just got the solid pack, not the busy background. And it's got some greens, some peachy and red and blue and green. Oh, love it. Then I got, again, the ephemera bits for this collection. Love it. Love it, love it. Oh, and then for the other collection, the Serenity, I also got the laser cuts, and the same thing for the Spectrum Sherbet. I got the whole, I got the laser elements, and I used a lot of them, like some of them, the whole sheet. So I know I'm going to be using those. Then I got the Tidal Wave laser cut elements, again from the Spectrum Sherbet. But I didn't get these. These has a lot like butterflies and just like leafage and stuff and some flowers. So I'm going to be using those. And these will go well with the Serenity. It's going to add some green, but I'm okay with that. Then this was, some kind of extras, but I like this. It's called Avesta laser cut elements, and these are part of the art options, so I don't think they go specifically with a collection. I didn't see any papers that went with it, but look at those. Gorgeous. So I'll be able to use them wherever. And then this one here goes with this collection here, the Curator Meadow, and these are the, again, laser cut elements. And look at all those. Oh, so cute. 83 elements. And look at all this. Awesome. Okay, so those were all the extras that I got. And then I picked up my kit for June and July because we were on vacation, so I wasn't able to pick them up. So I got June and July. Let's divide them by collection, because what they do with their kits is they do collections. So I got 2 collections here. Here's one. And I don't know which one was June and which one was July. So we'll just start with this one. This is the Doodlebug This and That. Oh, I like this. This is just a whole bunch of cardstock stickers. I have to say, Doodlebug, I like them. I think, I would get all their stuff, but then I don't use it because it's so cutesy. But this time I'm going to try and use this collection because, I have all of this. See, this side I can use. That side, a little too cutesy. This side is usable. I don't think, unless I just use like a little piece of it, maybe, traffic on our vacation. Both sides are cute on this one. Oh, I'll use that one for sure for a background. And this one, I'll probably use this side. Oh, this one, I'm going to use that side for sure. So we have some cut aparts. I'll probably use some of the cut aparts. And this one, I find it's kind of busy. And more cut aparts. This one is okay, if you use it in strips, or I can cut some apart too. This is cute. I like that. Oh, I like this much better. So I'll use the back side of that for sure. I'm going to use this for sure. This is cute for the flower garden maybe. Oh, of course. I'll probably use this, but I'll probably just use like a piece of that so then I can use a little bit of everything. And this too, this is open up, or up for grabs, if you will, for my pages that I want to make for my crop there in October. So I got a bunch of coordinating cardstock with this collection. We got 5 of them. And then some glitter sugar coated cardstock. And I think, is that like a sticker? No, it's just cardstock. And it does, the glitter does come off. It's everywhere. So I'm not sure if I like that idea. Okay, and then we got the bits and pieces for that same collection. So I'll definitely be throwing some of these with this. And then the Chit Chat. Look at all those. Tons of pieces. So again, I'm going to be using these to go with that collection for sure. Look at it. This has 160 pieces. So I'll be using some of those plus the sticker sheet. And then the little shaker pop cardstock sticker. You know, I'll try to throw that in there and try to use it. Now, I'm really excited about the next collection because it is the Simple Stories, Simple Vintage Lakeside. And I really like this one. So this is 57 cardstock die cuts. Look at those. I'm going to be using those for our trip here. So again, making pages with this. And that's why I wanted to film this right away, because I'm going to start making page kits right off the bat using these. And these are some chipboard stickers. It is 25. I don't think we went to a lake. Oh yes, I think we did. I think we did. We were close to Lake Superior. We went for a hike. So I can use that. Yay. And then some enamel dots. Always good for enamel dots, right? And then the sticker sheet. Love it. Love it, love it. And then the pattern papers. So some of these are pretty busy. Like that's pretty busy for me, but maybe I can cut some of those. This is pretty. Oh, again, probably just cut little pieces of that. Or, you know, you can, you know, put a photo here and then build your layout right onto this. This is pretty too. Oh, see, I like this. Gimme the plain. I find these types of pattern papers much easier to use. Oh, look how pretty that is. Pretty, pretty, pretty. And then, ooh, the green and the blue. See, I much rather that they would give us 2 of these and you could use both sides. That would be my preference. This I like because it's cut apart. Ooh, and I can cut some of those too. Pretty. Cut apart, cut some of those. Maybe cut some of those butterflies. But I think I like the cut aparts. I like that. That would be good too for that hike, that same place, because it was pretty wild there. Oh, look at all those pretty cut aparts. Oh, I can't wait to use those. And then this one here, probably use that side. Look at that pretty ducks right here. And then this one here is pretty too. Ooh, no, that is definitely the winner. And again, I'd be tempted more to use like the plainer one than the busy one. Okay, and this is pretty too. We didn't see any moose on our trip, but we saw all kinds of caribous and stuff, so I could use that for that page. We saw a bear, not a grizzly, we saw a bear. I'm kind of glad we didn't see a grizzly like while we were hiking, because that would have been kind of scary, but I wouldn't have minded while we were driving. And then this is pretty. Ooh, I like this. I like that. I like this one. Okay, so that is that collection. And that's everything that I got this month. It was actually like June and July for the kit. And then I got about 3 collections that I'm going to be making some page kits with right away for my crop that's coming up in October. I think I have about 20 page kits ready, so I have to get 40 more ready. And then I got to make some page kits for the virtual crop. I have Scrap-a-thon coming up in October, but all those page kits are all ready to go already, and I'm already starting to make layouts for Scrap-a-thon. But that's it. That's everything that I got from my local scrapbook store. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.